Hey, hello again, Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me. Today I want to introduce you to our Splash into Summer promo, which will be offered on all of our in-stock pontoons and deck boats and will run through May 31st. So it's a great promo. We have roughly 40 new boats in stock and we're going to be offering up to $1,500 off these boats. So I want to take a minute and discuss our Starcraft line with you first. These are great, well-built boats, reliable, really plush, really comfortable, and perfect for your day on the lake. If you're looking for something that may have a little get up and go and stylish in the process, our Starcraft deck boats meet the bill. These boats look at roughly 40 miles an hour. They're very stylish and they're easy to haul lake to lake and a good deal of fun. If you're looking for something maybe a little different for a smaller lake and maybe not as many people, we have our Qwest line, which comes in vibrant colors and well put together seating layouts that maximize all the space available. Finally, our SunChaser line, which are sister lines with the Starcrafts. They're very reliable. They offer a 6-year warranty in a style that is going to be eye-popping on the lake. And if you're looking for something maybe a little more affordable and locally made, we do offer our Pleasure Isle pontoon boats, which we have in 20-foot and 16-foot models that will be sure to get you out for a great day here on Charles Mill Lake. If you're looking for a demo of any boat, we do have boats across our Charles Mill and Pleasant Hill locations with 9, 25, 50, 90, and 150 horsepower outboards on board so you can pick out the right boat, the right horsepower that may be ready for you. We do have an up-to-date inventory on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com, and if you see anything you like, give us a call or send us a text at 419-368-5951. We look forward to seeing you down here soon.